Welcome to Roger Adventures. In this video I'm going to show you how I painted this Christmas tree on this rock. I hope you like the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up at the end. The rock, I had it previously primed with regular house paint, and then I started to apply the second coat, which in this case is the blue acrylic paint. All the paints that I use, I'm gonna leave them on the description below on this video, and also I'm gonna leave other tools and stuff that I use for my videos. So I wanted to try this method of using Q-tips to make the dots or paintings. So I started to paint the rock with green paint, and then I wanted to transition into a different color. I was mixing the yellow while the green paint was still wet. So I have a variation of colors. It's not just one solid color, or it's not just one dot that is just one color. So I waited for the paint to dry, and then I was trying to mix the paint on the side with the red and white. And this is where it came out. I was actually dipping the Q-tip on one side with the red and the other side with the white. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it's I like it how it came out. So the next step again is to wait for the paint to dry. You can accelerate the process by using a hair dryer, but the difference is that it changes the color to a little bit darker when you dry it with the hair dryer. So just keep that in mind. The background, you can paint white, blue, light blue, orange, light orange, however you please. My goal is to inspire you to start painting rocks. And why do I always say that on my videos? Because that is the whole reason. Because I don't want you only to inspire you, I want you to actually start painting rocks and just have fun with it. At the beginning they might not look really good, but through time, believe me, you will get better, you will enjoy it, and you will do it faster too. So once all the dots are dry, I started to do little dots representing the Christmas lights with the dotting tool, and on the top I'm gonna do the star with the dotting tool as well. And if you have any questions, suggestions for this channel, let me know in the section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you can receive announcements on my next videos. Again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you get to do this rock, please share your videos on my Facebook page, Roger Adventures, and I will be more than happy to share that picture on my page. And at the bottom of the tree, I painted white dots, and then I completed the dots with blue paint, and I also painted some brighter lights on the tree. You can actually change the colors on the dots. You can do them purple, you can do them orange, red, any color that you want. You can do them gold as well. I added some glitter on the white parts, and then I coated with the resin, and this is how the rock looks. And I hope I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.